Swadika, hi and welcome back to my channel. I'm in Sky Island. This is September 2025 and it's still sunny. So lucky to have a sunny day for a couple of days. And I'm traveling to see the Hugh Castle. We can't walk in to see the castle. It's quite far away from the road. So the castle next to the beach. So I'm thinking fly to Don in and then that way probably better to see better. Plus we want to go across the farmland and so on. We go to Faridon in. Thank you very much for watching everyone. Really appreciate it. I hope you guys having a wonderful day. Welcome. Here we are, Faridon across this farmland. Good to see you here everyone. Thank again. Let me tell you a little bit about the Hugh Castle. Or the history. I hope that's alright. The Hugh Castle was built around 1589 by Hugh MacDonald. It is better known as Caisteal Uisdean. He built the castle after getting pardon from his piracy and cattle rustling. He's quite an outlaw guy because he has so much money and he was gifted the Trotternish area, the land is area, and he built this castle is like fortification, rectangular townhouse shapes, and overlooking out to across Loch Snizort. The castle looked like it had no door, or no front door, and only small window. I take it the second floor had windows slightly bigger. So they have to have the staircase go on to the first floor. And it was last medieval fortress was built on this island. The rectangular castle similar to Moil Castle. Hugh's Castle had the bloody history and treachery and murders. Hughes was a son of Archibald the Clerk, the MacDonald clan thieves. But when his father died in suspicion and circumstances, he seek revenge against his uncle whom he blamed for his father's death. He seek revenge and attempt to incite rebellion with the MacDonald clan. So what happened after this? His effort failed and gained traction, and he went on a run to North Ulick, the small island called Duntulm Castle. This time, his luck ran out and he was captured and put in the imprisoned in Duntulm Castle. He was fed with salty beef but denied water until he died of dehydration. After his death, the castle was abandoned. I take it his castle was abandoned, and his goods still groaning, mourning, and to be seen and to hear his suffering. Thank you very much for watching everyone. Like I say, our door had been intercepted like a jam signal around about 3 minutes where I turn back. So please don't lose your door here, and I'd like to thank everyone for taking part, watching and subscribing and supporting. And I will always give love back to your channel. Thanks very much. Thank you ขอบคุณมากนะคะที่เข้ามารับชมและให้กำลังใจ Hope to see you soon. Much love to everyone and love you, my friend. Thank you again.